In this video, we are going to see about tuple data type. Tuple data type comes under the sequential data type. First of all, we see about the properties of tuple. Tuples are immutable. They are like strings. Okay. Then faster than list. Parameters separated by comma. Ordered collections of many data types. First, if tuples are ordered, then it should be in indexed manner. Okay. Then tuples may also contain some same elements. Now, first we can see about the declaration of tuple. How to declare a tuple? My tuple 1 is equal to open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Now, my tuple 2 is equal to tuple of. So, by these two ways we can declare a tuple. See here, when I use type of function, it gives me class tuple. Now, how to assign a value to a tuple? See here, I have assigned in four ways. Here, these four ways. Now, let me explain line by line. Here, I just use the tuple. That is, I have used just parenthesis. Inside that, I just give a value 1. In second line, I have used 1, comma. In third line, I have used 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4. In fourth line, I have used tuple of another bracket 1, comma, 2, comma, 3. Now, in this first line, the compiler takes that it is an integer. It don't take it is as a tuple. If we have a single element in a tuple, we must give a comma at last so that the compiler will understand that it is a tuple. Okay. Now, this is also a valid initialization of tuple. Otherwise, we can convert like we can give a tuple of function. Okay. Now, converting a list to tuple. How can we convert a list to tuple? Here I have a list called my list, and in that we have elements 1, 4, 7, 2. Now, by using the tuple of function, I can easily convert the list to tuple. See here, my list is converted into a tuple. See here, 1, 4, 7, 2. Those are enclosed between the parentheses and the data type is tuple. Now, tuple also have a indexing concept. Okay, all elements are indexed. As I told you, like in a string and list, the same indexing concept is in tuple. See here, 1472. At positive indexing, 0 1 2, and negative indexing -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay. Now, my tuple of 1 will be 4, and my tuple of -2 will be 7. Hence, the answer is 4 and 7. Now, I have already told you that tuples are immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? The meaning of immutable is we cannot change the value. See here, I have initialized a tuple, and in the tuple, the second index is changed into 21. So, what is at the second index? 49, and I am changing it into 21. At that point, it gives a error. Okay, if this is a list data type, it may change the element at the second index, but it is a tuple data type. Tuple data types are immutable. Now, slicing in tuple, it is as it is like a slicing in string and slicing in list. See here, my tuple of 1 colon 4 colon 1. Now, this is the tuple, and from 1 to 3. Jumping value is 1. So 4, 3, 7 will be the output. Then the second statement, my tuple of 5 colon 3 colon minus 1. So what is in the 5? It is Python, and 4. It won't take 3. Okay. Here jump value is minus 1. So we are taking 5 minus 1, 4. And minus 1, 3. But ending point is 3. So stop at 4. Now Python and 2. Then this statement. 4 colon 4. Sorry, 4 colon colon. Okay. Now start from 4 and increment 1 by 1 until the end. So 4, 5, 6 index. No, 2 Python 3.98. Here we don't have the jumping value. Hence we take jump value as 1 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So that the result is 2 Python 3.98. Then my tuple of colon 3 colon. Then the ending point is 3 and there is no jump. Okay, no jump value. Hence we take the jump value as plus 1. If we take the jump value as plus 1, then 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. But the ending is 3. Hence we take up to 2. So 1, 4, 3. Then my tuple of colon colon 2. Then if the starting point is not in the slicing, then we take it as a 0 and ending point as the length. Okay. So they have given that the jump value is 2. So I will take 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. So 1, Pirai, 2, 3.98. Now, negative slicing. See here, I have given a tuple. And first statement is my tuple of minus 4 colon minus 1. So I have to start from minus 4. Here this minus 4. Minus 4 and I have to end at minus 1. I have to end at minus 1. So I will take minus 4, minus 3 and Python. Don't take minus 1 because it is a ending value. Now, next statement. Minus 3, minus 5, minus 1. So I will start at minus 3 and end at minus 4. Don't take minus 5 because it's an ending question. Okay. Now, my tuple of minus 3 colon colon. Start from minus 3, minus 3. Then if there is no jump value, then we assume that the jump value is plus 1. So 3 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, sorry, 3 plus minus 3 plus 1, it is minus 2, and minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1. Hence 2 Python 3.98 are taken. Now come to this statement. My tuple of colon minus 5 colon. So the ending point is minus 5 and there is no jump value. Then we must assume that jump value is plus 1. So assuming that jump value is plus 1, okay, what will be the output here? See here, end value is 5. So starting from minus 7, minus 7 plus 1 will be minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 will be minus 5. Hence we take minus 7 and minus 6. So 1 comma 4. Then at last I have given a statement, my tuple of colon colon minus 1. In this I have given minus 1 and I told you the beginning and ending. So it just takes from this and goes up to the minus nth position. Hence the value will be 3.98 Python 2 7 3 4 1. Okay. Now tuple also have a in operator. as same as a string and list. See here, I have assigned a tuple, then I am giving a statement called Pirai in tuple. Whether Pirai is present in tuple? Yes. So true will be printed. Now, if if I have given not in, then it results in false because Pirai is present in tuple. But I am giving a operator called not in. It says that Pirai is not in the tuple. Okay. Now, plus operator. It's to do the same work that is listed in the list. Okay. Now, see here, tuple 1 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Tuple 2 is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6. When we add the both by using the plus operator, it just joins the both tuples. Now, multiplication operator in tuple. Multiplication operator in tuple gives us like it just repeats the number of time given in the right side of the multiplication operator. Now see here, I have given 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then I have given my tuple star 3. So it repeats the same tuple 3 times. See here, 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now tuple has a concept called unpacking. Now see here, in tuple we just unpack. I have a tuple, my tuple is equal to 1 comma 4 comma 7 comma 2 comma 0. Now I just used 5 variable separated by commas is equal to my tuple. In this step, u gets the value of 1, 4 gets the value of v. Sorry, v gets the value of 4, x gets the value of 7, y gets the value of 2, z gets the value of 0. Okay, we're printing that, we get this. It's like just unpacking. Okay, we just take the values and separate them and store them in a particular variable. Then we don't know how much values are in the tuples. That is, we don't know the length of a tuple. We just want to store in a two variable. Then we can use the star symbol in front of a variable. Now see here, x comma star y. By doing this, x will take the first value and remaining values are taken to the y and stored as a list data type. Okay, and stored as a list data type. Now, what if I do x comma star y comma z? See here, x will take the value of 1 and z will take the value of 2. But star y takes the value of only 7 and 4 in the list data type. Okay, this is the unpacking in tuple. Now let us see about the inbuilt functions in tuple. First inbuilt function is len of. Len of is used to find the length of the tuple. Okay, in this, how much element are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 elements. Don't take this as a multiple elements. It is a nested tuple. Okay, it is a nested tuple. Hence, it is treated as a single element. Then min of and max of function. Min of function is used to find the minimum element in a tuple, while the max of function is used to find the maximum element in the tuple. See here, I have used max of, so I have got a result as 9. Okay, here I used min of, I got a result as 1. Now delete of function. By using this delete of function, we can delete the whole tuple. See here, this tuple is equal to 12, 90, 21, and I have used del this tuple. It will delete the whole tuple. There is no identity that a tuple exists there. So see here, while I am printing this tuple, it shows that name error. Name this tuple is not found. That is, this whole tuple is deleted. This tuple is deleted. Okay, this is the use of del function.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.